If you want to change your name on Epic Games, you're in the right place. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to update your Epic Games display name step by step, so you can change the name people see in games and on the Epic Games Store. This is a quick process, but there is one important rule you need to know before you start. You can only change your display name once every 30 days, so make sure you pick the name you really want before you save it. If this tutorial helps, go ahead and hit that like button and subscribe for more simple gaming and software guides. Alright, let's get into it. First, open your browser and go to the Epic Games website. Once you're there, sign in to the Epic account you want to update. After logging in, head to your account settings page. This is where Epic keeps your profile details, account information, and display name settings. On the account settings page, look for the section labeled Display Name. This is the name that shows publicly in Epic Games titles and on the Epic Games Store, so this is the field you want to edit. Click inside the display name box and type in the new name you want to use. Take a moment to double-check the spelling, because once you save it, that name will be what other players see. If your preferred name is already taken or doesn't meet Epic's rules, you may need to try a slightly different version. Once you've entered the name you want, save your changes. Epic may ask you to confirm the update, and after that, your display name should be updated on your account. Keep in mind that this change does not happen endlessly. Epic only allows a display name change once every 30 days, so if you've recently changed it, you may need to wait before making another update. That's why it's a good idea to choose carefully and make sure you're happy with a new name before clicking save. After the change is complete, your updated name will appear in supported Epic Games services, including your public username in games and the Epic Games Store. If you don't see it right away, try refreshing the page or signing out and back in. And that's it. You've now changed your name on Epic Games. It only takes a minute once you know where to look. If this video helped you out, make sure to like the video and subscribe for more easy how-to tutorials just like this one. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next guide.